Most sales reps spend hours every day doing the same 3 things on LinkedIn: searching for prospects, sending connection requests, and following up. The problem? It's all manual. You burn through hours that could have been spent closing. So imagine if your entire LinkedIn workflow, visiting profiles, connecting, and messaging, ran automatically while you focused on deals. That's exactly what LeadBring does. LeadBring automates your LinkedIn prospecting from start to finish. It visits any profile, records key details, and stores them right inside your dashboard. Then auto sends personalized connection requests and messages to your first-degree connections, all while tracking every interaction for you. It's like having a full-time SDR working in the background while you sleep. And the best part, you don't need to set up complex campaigns or integrations. You just add it to Chrome, turn it on, and watch your pipeline fill itself. So let's talk numbers. LeadBring starts completely free. You can automate 25 actions at no cost, just to test it out. After that, it's $10 per month for unlimited actions. That's cheaper than most sales tools charge just to store your data. And with its live dashboard, CSV import, export, and real-time activity tracking, you can scale outreach without juggling 10 tabs or risking your accounts. So here's why that matters. If you're still manually managing your LinkedIn outreach, you're not just wasting time. You're falling behind competitors who automate smarter. LeadBring gives you speed and consistency, but it also gives you control. Every visit, every message, every connection logged and tracked. You know exactly who you're engaging and when. But here's the kicker. LeadBring helps you start the conversations. But if you want to continue conversations across channels through cold email, automated follow-ups, and AI personalized messages, that's where Salesforce steps in. Salesforce integrates your leads into full multi-channel sequences that can manage your outreach at scale. So instead of spending another week sending messages one by one, let automation take over. LeadBring fills your top of funnel. Salesforce turns those leads into booked calls. And if you want to see exactly how to set up Salesforce for multi-channel outreach to get the best results possible, I suggest you take a look at this video because that's what I cover next.